Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of the Burton Sales Banter channel, the place where I, Christian Burton, founder and CEO of Pipeline Upgrade, will be sharing with you every single week all the best tips and tricks that you need to grow sales. I'm here on the beach in sunny Marbella in 𝗕𝗏𝗧, and I am about to go to the gym, but before I did that, I wanted to share with you a very simple way that you can break through those invisible barriers that we all meet from time to time in sales. So, let's get to it. I think the gym is a great place because you can compare so many things that happen there to what happen in sales. So for example, when you hit that invisible barrier at the gym, what do? You could lift up more weight, but that's not always going to be the answer. And in fact, that could actually lead to injury if you're not careful. Actually, really what you should be doing is you should be mixing it up, introducing new exercises and challenging your body. And it's exactly the same with sales. I always think the best way to break through those invisible barriers is to challenge yourself. Be honest that maybe you've just become very comfortable in your pitch, in your communication method, maybe picking up the phone. So challenge yourself by perhaps using LinkedIn for a change, or email marketing. But again, be careful. Don't become too comfortable and complacent behind a keyboard. The key thing is to actually rotate it. Keep a schedule, a time frame of how long you've been doing each thing. And just be honest with yourself that perhaps you've become too comfortable and it's time for change. So I hope that this little tip has helped you. I want you guys to move forward by not looking at things as, oh my God, I'm facing a problem and I've got a solution for it, which might be to make a few more calls. Look at it as, I'm facing a problem and I've actually got an opportunity here, because that's a much more powerful way to look at it. And your opportunity is to master a new skill set in this example, okay? So, if you like this video, make sure you share it and follow us to make sure you don't miss next week's video. Have a great day, and adios from sunny Spain.